How to view your balance on Citipool. Are you guys facing issues to view your balance on Citipool application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To view your balance on Citipool, first of all, open Citipool application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now look at the bottom of your screen where you can see this option for buy, balance and products. Just simply tap on balance. After you click on balance, you will be able to view your balance over here. Right now my balance and my points is just 10. If you have more, it will show over this section. And that's it guys. That's how we're going to view your bonus balance on Citipool application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Citipool, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. Bye bye.